Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with another American Crafts haul. It went blank. I was like, what was it? American what? American Crafts haul. You guys, I did do a previous order and yeah, I was like, okay, I think I need to get something else. So I had to accumulate everything that I was I needed to get free shipping. So the more, yeah. Anyways, the less you have, of course, you charge shipping. The more you have, it's free shipping. So I went ahead and did that with the American Crafts Vault sale. So the thing I was aiming for, I did get the other punch. Oh my goodness, where did I put it again? I went ahead and ordered this one. Oh, let me see. Okay, so this one is the one I just ordered, and I did punch out. And as you guys could see, these are the items that it could punch through. I love it. Amazing. A must have. Um, I have not tried the crunch. I need to get that one, but I'm not too sure if I'm really gonna get it. I'm not too sure. I'm really considering it. But anyways, I just did the punches here, as you guys could see. Here you guys go. Um, and then I do have the Happy Planner. Um, this punch. Okay, this one takes up a lot of room, and you guys look at it. Does not. You can't insert this in here. It says it allows up to 5 sheets, and look, I'm still pushing it in there, and it's not even taking those 5 sheets. It is ready to punch, so it's not like it's locked in or anything. So yeah, here, let me see if I find just a regular piece of paper. Sorry you guys, here I'm using this scrap. So it barely takes one paper, you guys. I don't know why it says 5. So this one is a cardstock. You guys know cardstocks, it does say 5. um 3 sheets. So not even, it barely takes 1 sheet. So imagine doing one by one by one. Um, so let me just punch it out. This one's a lot. I like that it's a lot thinner, like narrower than this one. But I'm sure I can also always adjust that. Actually, it's the same. Anyways, yeah, it's the same. Just but anyways, this one is just a one punch, and basically what you do, you punch it and then you align it to this one right here, and then you punch, and there you guys go. See the room, how much room it has. So you definitely can punch this and still have room for more paper there. I don't know if you guys could see that. Can you guys see that? I'm in no way doing a link or affiliate link or anything. I just wanted to show you guys it's an awesome thing to have, and might consider getting the cricket, or not the cricket, the cinch. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe the next vault sale I'll figure it out. So yeah, like it, love it. Definitely want to use it for plastic. If I can't even put one cardstock or piece of cardstock in this one, um might not be able to put any plastic or anything in here. So yeah, so this is the way to go for me. So yeah, anyways, aside from that, I also got this punch. It is a 1/2. I think I'm looking for the other one, the next step up, not the 1 inch, but the next step up. I did get this Happy Stitch, or Stitch Happy We Are Memories, and it's just needles. I do have a sewing machine, but I do have thread that it is a We Are Memories thread, and I haven't used it because I'm not too sure what size to get, so hopefully this helps. Okay, I also went ahead and grabbed this. This is the American Crafts sketch book. So I believe I got the sketch book. I have only have 1 or 2 paper pads of this one, so I went ahead and got this. I love this Hooray. It's by crepe paper. Love it. And I figured finally, I believe I got it once already, and I needed another one. So so I can use it up. There you guys go. I also got this paper pad. Includes foiled sheets, and of course it's double-sided. So cute, cute, and cute. You guys, so there you go. I got this one as well. Posh and pink. And there you guys go. So there is pink elements and gray elements to it. So one side is black and white or gray, and then the other side is pink. So I actually like it. I thought it was gonna, it is too, I want to say it's too bland, but I actually like it. And the cardstock is not as a heavy cardstock and not paper. So yeah. And then I also got the Blooming Wild Paige Evans. So this is one-sided. I did get me 2 of these just in case. So happy I did get 2, but you do have a lot of just solid colors back here. So this is what you get, and I believe you only get 1 sheet of each. So not too sure if it was worth the buy, but hey, it's actually a project pad. So okay, so I get it now. Okay, so I got 2 of these, and then I also went over and got more of these. You guys, I'm loving my punch. Like I said, it does punch through all these. So my other punch, the hole punch, the spiral punch, love it too. It does the same thing as this one does. And hey, I honestly feel like this is well worth it, especially if you actually just want to do like maybe 2 or 3, or maybe just like a little set of punches instead of doing like 12, or how much does it have? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 punches, and you can always do it like in the in between. So instead of starting all the way in the corner, you could do it in the middle. And let me show you guys. See how easy that is? Oh my goodness, that is so easy. And if I just like wanted to do a little planner and put something like in between like this and flip it over, awesome. So that's just 2 right there, you guys. So loving it. You guys, if you guys haven't taken advantage of it, I'd suggest you guys go over. Yeah, like I'm not getting paid, I'm not being advertised, or I'm not from American Modern, but love their vault sales. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.